In this video, we'll be discussing what is a web browser, what are the three main types of web browsers, and how you can best use them to accomplish your goals in daily work. The three browsers are known as Internet Explorer, Chrome, and Firefox. You can see that down here at the bottom I have the three browsers and their associated icons. If you don't have these icons in your taskbar or in your desktop, you can still access the browsers from the Start menu. Let's run them all one by one. First one is Internet Explorer. You can generally just type Internet. Find the Internet Explorer, which is marked by the big blue E. And there's Internet Explorer. You can see the CNCC homepage. The next browser we'll run is Firefox. So I'll go back to Start, type Firefox, or just Fire, and look for Mozilla Firefox, which has a sort of orange and blue icon. There's Mozilla Firefox. And the last one we'll run is Google Chrome. You can also find Chrome by typing Chrome in the Start menu. Here's Google Chrome. First thing we'll do in each of the web browsers is browse to a site. So I'm going to go to just google.com in Chrome by typing it in. There's google.com. Now I'll go ahead and switch over to Firefox and do the same thing, google.com. Notice they look almost exactly the same, but not quite. Now we'll do the same thing in Internet Explorer, google.com. Any web browser can be used to access any website. Sometimes different sites will render or display differently in different browsers, and this can be just a matter of aesthetics, or it can be a problem that prevents you from using the website that you're trying to use. Next thing we'll do to demonstrate is access cncc.edu from each browser. I'm going to do this a little bit more quickly. Essentially, it just involves going to the location bar and typing in the name of the website. Obviously, you don't have to always use the location bar and type in the name of the website, but if you know the name, it can sometimes save you a lot of time. So now we have CNCC loaded in each of our web browsers. Now, the main important thing to know about the choice that you have between web browsers is that sometimes one site is going to work better in one browser versus another. You'll notice, for instance, that even this menu button looks different in each browser. And in Firefox, it even has what you might call a problem, where that character doesn't look quite right. Still works more or less. Most websites work quite well in all three browsers, but sometimes when we're talking about specialized applications, they may or may not. A good example of this might be Banner, or if you use Banner, App Extender for document management. Sometimes those sites can be a little picky. It may be that if you have a problem with a given website, the first thing you might want to try is trying it in a different browser to see if it works any better or any worse.